Hello guys, we have a gas siphon hose here which has a marble in it. I think this is pretty cool because I like science and stuff. And I'm going to show you guys how it works. So first I'm going to take this end and put it inside our coolant bottle or gas bottle and put this in with the marble inside our gas. So we're going to sit here, I'm going to sit here and demonstrate. You shake it a couple times and there you go. You've got gas flowing. And to stop it, you simply pull it out. It introduces air and it stops. Now, you can't do it from low to high, but you can watch magic happen doing it this way. I'm going to take this and put it higher because that's how it works. And we'll go ahead and pump this until it's empty. And there you go. And that's it.